Hello dear fans. How to find the mass of hydrogen. Molecular weight is the molecular weight, which can also be called the value of the mass of the molecule. The molecular weight is expressed in atomic mass units. If we disassemble the value of the molecular weight in parts, it turns out that the sum of the masses of all the atoms that make up the molecule is its molecular weight. If we talk about units of measurement of mass, then mainly all measurements are made in grams instructions. Step 1. The very concept of molecular weight is associated with the concept of a molecule. But it cannot be said that this condition can be applied only to such substances where the molecule, for example, hydrogen, is located separately. For cases where the molecules are not separate from the rest, but in close relationship, all of the above conditions and definitions are also valid. Step 2. To begin with, to determine the mass of hydrogen, you need some substance that contains hydrogen and from which it can be easily isolated. It can be some kind of alcohol solution or other mixture, some of the components of which, under certain conditions, change their state and easily freeze the solution from its presence. Find a solution from which you compare the necessary or unnecessary substances by heating. This is the easiest way. Now decide whether you will evaporate a substance that you do not need, or whether it will be hydrogen, the molecular weight of which you plan to measure. If an unnecessary substance evaporates, it's okay, the main thing is that it is not toxic. In case of evaporation of the desired substance, you need to prepare the equipment so that all the vapors remain in the flask. Step 3. After you have separated everything unnecessary from the composition, proceed to measurements. For this, Avogadro's number is suitable for you. It is with its help that you can calculate the relative atomic and molecular mass of hydrogen. Find all the necessary parameters of hydrogen that are present in any table, determine the density of the resulting gas, since it will be useful for one of the formulas. Then substitute all the results obtained and, if necessary, change the unit of measurement to grams, as already mentioned above. Step 4. The concept of molecular weight is most relevant when it comes to polymers. It is for them that it is more important to introduce the concept of average molecular weight, in view of the heterogeneity of the molecules included in their composition. Also, by the average molecular weight, one can judge how high the degree of polymerization of a particular substance is. Thanks for watching.